Hey friends, if you wish to check laptop battery health report, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I have a command for you. I've shared it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Paste this command here and hit enter. It will give you a path. Now simply copy this path. Press Windows plus R, paste it here and hit enter. This will give you the battery health report. Click on always, and it will open it in the Microsoft Edge browser. You can scroll down and it will give you every battery health report about the percentage of battery at which your system was. And you can also check for sessions and reductions for battery life health estimates. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.